Hello everyone. So I've been always wanted to get this kit, but today was the day and we just got it. So let's see what's inside. Um, so seems like this kit come with a ratchet and also an impact wrench. So let's see what's inside. You guys excited? 'Cause I am. Oh wow, there's even a bag, so you can put your stuff on it and you don't lose all the stuff. Because you know what happened. You use one thing and then you leave the other stuff, and then when you need it, nowhere to be found. But let's see what comes on it. Okay, so seems like there's some type of paper that has like different items that you can get, and there's also these instructions that we are not gonna read because who reads instructions? What else? Okay, so this is the charger. Seems like you can only put one battery at a time, but I mean if you have two you can put one and then use the other one. So and all right, so here's the ratchet. I've been wanting to get this item, but for one or another reason I never got it, so today was the day. So this is a 12 volt. It's heavy. I wasn't thinking that was going to be that heavy, but it is. Let's see what's on it. What else is in here? So okay, so here's the battery. Alright, seems like small, not that heavy. It's a 12 volt, and I'm assuming you can use it with both of them. Let's see, this is the impact wrench. Looks small. It's not as heavy as the ratchet, but yeah, you can use the same battery for both of them. So that's pretty nice. And I like the fact that all of them has the Acdelco brand on it. What else do we have in there? Oh, seems like there's like a strap that you can put on the back, so you can put it on your shoulders. I don't know, just to make it easier to carry that out. So here is everything. I'm pretty excited to use this kit, and then I will probably post another video saying how good or bad it was. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Please share my video or